Check if list of partial strings is in list of full strings. Sorry for the title, really couldn't think of an easy way to explain this situation. So if I have one list of strings, such as, how can I check that all of those strings are in another list that may have fluff around it? By that I mean, instead of say cat it may have cat_mittens, which would be fine, but car_mittens isn't. So for example, here, if I did the analysis on list_A I'd want false returned, for list_B I'd want true returned, and likewise for list_C I'd want true returned, as it contains all three strings of list A, even though cat has extra bits around it, what I referred to as fluff. My current approach is, there's an added complication that, in my actual code, all the strings in list C need to contain an additional string. For example, all would need say _file type, but that's less of an issue. I do this within the final all statement. My method works, but in my opinion it's quite messy, not least because I call things temp, making it potentially unclear what is what. I guess I could rename them to something else, but off the top of my head I can't think of anything meaningful to name them, and I'm not sure how efficient it really is. Is there another way of achieving this? Sorry if I haven't explained this well. If anything needs clarification, please just let me know.
Example.
You don't have to save the result in a list, you can do. This can be made more efficient, but less clean, if you do. Edit. The and equals syntax simply performs an operation and on both variables. So this is equivalent to this, with means x will be true only if both x and y are true. So if y equals true and x equals true, then the result will be true, but if for example y equals false, then the result will be false.
You can do this in Python 3. This should print desired result. I hope this is what you want to do.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.